Greetings everyone. I'm Soumya Mehta from Masters in Urban Management, SEPT University, sharing my experience about directed research project. My project was titled as Assessing the Maturity of Selected Urban Local Bodies in Online Service Delivery by Applying Local Online Service Index, which is LOCI, methodology in India. And it was guided by Dr. Gayatri Doctor and done in collaboration with United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs. The project turned out to be a really insightful study about the current status of the interface and the very point of contact as the front end of e-governance in selected cities of India. All the municipal governance portals were assessed on the questionnaire containing 87 parameters divided into 5 components. Those components were focused on content provision, institutional framework, participation and engagement, service provision, and technology. To represent the diversity of our country and to level out the scale of the city with the most population from every state and union territories with available municipal governance portal online was selected. Upon doing the assessment, some important data points were generated such as city demographics, component parameter and city-wise scores, and the visualization and analysis were done by combining all these data points into one single database. The results turned out to be quite insightful, placing 7 cities in high maturity category, 20 cities in middle maturity, and 7 cities in low maturity category according to the LOCI index. After analyzing the scenario in the country, recommendations were made for improvement in this municipal governance portal in accordance with efforts currently being done in India. Thank you.